Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha.
From Bolton, England, Amir Kenga.
From Sheffield, England, the special one, Kel Brock!
Getting off first, then at a perfect, beautiful...
Exploiting some technical deficiencies at Malinaji.
Right hand over the top.
The two young stars, Khan and Ortiz. Khan's confidence looks sky high.
They're asking him to do something he doesn't do. Knock somebody out.
Well, he threw that left hook like he meant it.
Man bumps off the head of Malinaji.
Khan's knockout shots look more convincing. Good stoppage by Steve Smoger.
Well done. Anything to deal with Khan. There's a good step in left hand by Amir Khan, and it was just too easy for him. He landed 41% of his jabs.
Varying, not losing his distance, maintaining his proper distance, and landing more and more.
Yeah, I'm going to say, Paulie, catching him really clean and now starting to go to work.
No, I think Brute wants him out of there.
Well, he's threatening to do just that because...
Punches at Kel to make him stop coming forward. He's not throwing punches at Kel to set traps. Kel is.
Oh, that was wicked.
And go for it, you know what I mean? You know, give it your best.
That was caught again. He landed one of his own, but then really took one back from Brook and is in big trouble. Steve Gray having a look at this, Gavin looking to try and fight his way back into this, but he's in big trouble, and the stoppage is coming. There it is.
Using his feet now. Ooh, dude almost caught him with the left hand.
Some marking around that right eye.
And that's what's happening in this case.
Well,
Hard right hand by Khan.
and look at the size of it if he could pull off the upset. Right hand that Khan is already an elite fighter.
Because when he's sparring with one of the great legends, I think Khan is a much improved fighter from the other fights.
He landed the left hook well. Now goes to the right.
He's in perfect position to shoot that punch. Plus, that's his favorite punch anyway.
Draculich is calling this a knockdown on a body shot. Khan comes to the neutral corner. Judah clearly thought he got hit low. He's not going to make it up. This is going to be a knockout victory.
The uppercut that puts Saldivia on the floor, and there it goes again. And he's got it again. Straight away, he looks like Saldivia going to recover from that. He's in real trouble.
That was so well timed, that punch. That was a beautiful punch. It's all over. It's all over.
Timing was perfect.
Terrific shot, just so well timed. Bang! I mean, it was pretty much a jab from my angle.
Fought as an amateur. Khan has got him down within the first 20. He's still in the centre of the ring. I don't think the referee's seen it. There's some big bobs coming in from Amir Khan. What a start this is to his pro career. Bailey covering up, cannot keep him away. It's up to the referee who stops the fight. Got a big shot from Amir Khan, and that's it.
It's good again from Brook. Nice little counter to the body, right hand coming in from Gotti. Oh, it's right on the button. Big right hand, terrific shot. And buzz of acclaim, it was that right hand which undid him. It's a 12-rounder. It looks impossible to me that this can... He's on unsteady legs and there's not much in his legs anyhow, Gotti. Very slim. It's all over.
He's big of it. Howard, the 13th demonstrate, says he's like it right to first. Oh, now he's starting to unload again. Right hand really quick. They're in and out all the time. Good shot, great shot, great straight right. Good right hand once more from Khan. Looking to finish this one spectacularly. And the referee's having a close finish now. Good body shots from Khan. And Thorpe's in danger of getting hurt in there. And this fight has been... that at least can jab well, throw the right hand reasonably well, Oh, good shot! Straight right, and Martinoff's gone. Found a terrific straight right hand, and Martinoff is blinking.
But he did land a shot upstairs, but again he's rocked down, and then the other one on the floor. And they sense a quick night here in Sheffield, and another right hand comes in, and down he goes again, and the legs are up.
Oh, another one. Knockout, you know, he's want to do it with one punch, maybe just outbox this fella, confuse him with the jab. That's good stuff.
Again, Dan ducking and diving all over the place, and then gets us down, lunging in and catching Brook there as well, but fouled with a left right on the bell.
The damage done, mercifully, with body shots from Khan. Terrific super featherweight. That's not a knockdown. Nadal would learn a great deal from that sort of environment.
But now he's got Bain hurt.
Yep.
Caught him with a good left hook. Nice variety of punches from Khan.
I think he's looking to take him out here, and I'm not too sure how much Bain's got left. He's gone down again from the right hand, and I think
those hooks, they'll be hit as well. Spearing those jabs through, and those right hooks round the side of the all night for him. Too easy.
Jones's defences have disappeared.
Yeah, he's in real trouble. But it was just right hook. Well, there he gets him again. Same punch. Forward, he's backing up for all he's worth here. And he's just getting picked apart. Michael Alexander might have to make a big decision quite early here, because Jones, the nastiness about Kell Brook tonight, to really hurt this fella.
That's a beautiful shot.
He really has. He's dipped to the knees. He's ready to go here. Jones is open right again from Brook. Can he tee off?
And again, making it uncomfortable. Oh, beautiful shot.
Absolutely phenomenal. Carson Jones, nice left uppercut. He was stood up. Brook ahead by a mile. Jones keep looking for something there. Brook has started this round very fast. Can he keep this going? Can he find that extra gear that Johnny Nelson was talking about? Nearly pushed him down there. Oh, and it's been rule account. Albeit a bit more controversial. Brook looking to make it all irrelevant anyway. More big right.
The referee's on the verge of stopping this.
He is, and he has. And Jones is furious.
He landed 100 of 200 some punches when he was on the outside. He got detention.
Tagged him, and even if he doesn't land,
They're just finding home for that overhand right a little bit.
uppercut, two uppercuts, two
time to alter someone. He thinks they've made a difference.
Left hook.
Blinding hand speed.
Plenty of heart, plenty of skill, and plenty of...
A fight, not a two-round fight. That's...
Nice combination executed by Khan. Molina unable to penetrate or hurt Khan at all. Get under a minute remaining now in the 8th round, and Molina's also helping that.
Yeah, no, again.
The fight has been stopped.
Consider him as an opponent for his next defensive schedule for the 9th of June. No opponent announced yet. Lovely uppercut on the inside there from Radchenko. Took that well right hand. Radchenko goes down. He was caught around the temple, I think. And his legs very, very unsteady. Just collapsed underneath him. And I don't know whether he's going to be able to make it back to his feet and convince Steve Gray that he can continue. And it is all over. It's all over. Midway through.
An overreach, but there's that blistering hand speed that we spoke about. Billy Dibb says, is that not a lot landed, and both boxers, but what did land was probably from Khan, so he's definitely won the round. From Khan. Look to the body again. Billy Dibb on a little bit. Straight right hand there. A sign of confidence, that is. Look to the body again, and Dibb has no response, and in comes the tap. They've seen enough.
Such a good counter puncher. Here we go. I would have thought Sinchenko would have cut.
Plenty is. Romanov's right hand has wobbled the Ukrainian, who gave a little smile.
Yeah, the better punches in that little exchange. Oh, good shot.
Shook him there with that right hand. That might open things. He's in there with the left hand. Got him! Two-punch combination. The left.
He's going for it, and he's quite
all over the place in his own corner. And Brook looking for the finish here. Marking up, and he's shaken to his boots with that right hand down again. That one took everything. And is he going to get up? He is up, but he's all over the place. The legs have turned to rubber, and the referee's got a decision to make here. No, he does not.
Nice and chin, right again. Blistering speed from Khan. Down he goes, Fagan. In the Fagan tank. Khan, predatory, going for the finish. And the bell saves a sheep, Fagan.
Julio Cesar Chavez Jr.
John Green wants it for the tails in. Mickey Mann. Oh, he's just about got it. He took 2 or 3.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ito ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.